How's it going, guys? It's Hanno here from New G Bush Goods. Bala Eddie and I have split up this morning. He's going up the river, I'm going up this little creek. If you liked the video, give it a fat thumbs up. Please sub if you're not subbed already, it helps my channel grow. Dropping a comment also helps my channel grow. Check out all my mates' YouTube as well. Go give those guys a sub and some love. Cheers. Nothing. Tough wading. Oh, how good does that look up there? Oh yeah, nice. Oh yeah, I saw a fish off to the left there. You guys might have saw that too. Probably might have spooked him a bit, if anything. I've already changed the lure once. I started with a bronze lure, got into this brighter red Meps, yep. Oh yep, got one. Where's me net? Oh, awesome. Oh, the third trout of the trip. That gives me hope anyway. It's a bit bigger than the one that spooked. There's a fight good in this up here where we are. I don't know what happened to me pliers, but I haven't got them. That's a bit of a worry. We've got him out. There he goes there. A nice plump 10-incher. We're on the board. Let's go. So yeah, the same thing that was working yesterday, working this morning, so that's good. A smaller fish was a bit frightened by it, but the bigger fish grabbed it, so sensational. See, there's a really nice run coming up there. The oxygenated water's been the key to fishing this season. Got to make sure you get some good casts into those areas. There's usually active fish feeding in those areas. Oh, how good is it? Hey, you might not get one here. It's like that fishing. Where you think you're going to get one, you don't always get one. It's pretty spectacular rocky outcrops here, eh? Beautiful. If you've been here, I'm sure you know where I am. So you wouldn't forget that, eh? How beautiful. How bloody spectacular. Not going to go much further. I'm happy to get one. One's better than none. Good to get two, but yeah, not seeming to too keen on the lure. So a couple more runs and I'm turning back, I reckon. Got him. Oh, he's off. Seen him follow from a while back. Got him. Oh, he's off. Kind of promising, but kind of not as well. I mean, it was good. Should have had him, really. See, that was pretty slow water, eh? That's just rock underneath there. This is going to be so slippery. And even dropping one's content, I suppose, but I'm going to have a look around this corner. If there's not a nice run up there, pretty close, I reckon I'm going to call it. I've sort of just gotten up and gone straight into fishing. Went to the toilet. I've had a kombucha. It's like a fizzy fermented tea. That's all. I haven't had any food or anything. Sound like I'm complaining, doesn't it? Pretty beautiful place to be in the morning though. Just tough wading, that's all. Perfect cast. In the pool, they can see that. Food going past. Nothing. Sure, there's fish in every pool. That's what I reckon. Seen a few fish though, that's not too bad. Go up a bit further. Looks like on the other side of this stick, there's still the top of this run looks pretty good. Oh, yep. Oh, I've dropped him. Oh, I put a cast in there from back there. He didn't like it, but maybe it's just a little bit closer to the structure. Oh, damn it. Oh, yeah. Oh, I've dropped him. Bummer. Now I kind of want to push on a bit. Drop 2 in about 10 casts, if that. Oh no, you got this rock shit again. Very difficult wading conditions. It was a little bit annoying that I didn't let... Oh! Nearly got another one! Fuck, they might be on now. That I didn't let... Oh! Nearly got another one! Got far enough past where people... I did see some lines. Ah, damn it. Got a big stick. Or a stick. Did see some cray lines where people do crane. Like I do a bit of crane, but with those lines, they leave lines in the water. They don't come back and clean them up. So it's pretty shit. Anyway, there's another one. But yeah, that has made me a little bit eager to go a bit further. Big rock here, it's slippery as. You'll be really careful. Situations like this. Oh, I dropped another one. About to say I got him. He tapped it a couple of times. They're really keen on it at the moment. Now I do want to push a bit further. What's the time? It's not even 9 o'clock. Bummer. He's not going to come again. Oh yeah, he's lightly hooked, I reckon. Oh yeah, he's just hooked. I'll just wet the hand. Oh no, he's hooked fairly well. Fish number 2. And just in the last 10 minutes or so, I've had heaps more opportunities. So it's actually, the fishing's starting to come good. It's just such a tough walk up here, unfortunately, but I'm not turning back now. That's the second one out of that pool. It might have been the same fish, but I think the other fish was a bit bigger. Let him go. See you, mate. Off he goes down there. Lovely little brown trout. There he is. How good's that? I'll throw another one up there. You never know. The bigger one might come back. I doubt it. But yeah, they're liking that lure. Yep. Oh! Fuck. Bummer. Dropped like 3 in. Oh, I've got one and dropped a fish twice in this pool. Don't think it's going to come back again. That's the lure that did the damage for me today. I did quite well. I've only walked about, I think, 600 meters up this type of terrain. Yep, this type of terrain is very difficult. It's going to be a very difficult walk back, even though it's not very far. But if you like the video, give it a fat thumbs up. Please sub if you're not subbed already. Drop a comment down below, that helps my channel grow. Check out Bala Eddies Fishing, Toba's Fishing, Blake's Fish Adventures, Tommy Times Fishing, and Silver Fox 2.0. No wonder I did a bit of a there's so many of these guys I'm plugging, but I love doing it. Go check out their channels. Go give them a sub and some love. Cheers.